Hey Houston, you're here with Shae, the Realtor, and I'm giving you the scoop on how to find some affordable housing for essential workers. So if you are law enforcement, military, teacher, nurse, work in retail, restaurant, sky's the limit. But this program is here to help median income level families or individuals basically afford their rent because we need the help. Like, let's be honest. Anyway, so to qualify, all you would need to do is make 2 times the rent, which is pretty easy considering the price of this rent. And on top of that, you're going to make roughly around about $30,000 to $70,000 a year. If you fit within that range, then all you need to do is DM me and I can find one of these properties for you around Houston to help you out, and you do not have to shop on your own. So if you have any questions, cares, or concerns, feel free to drop me a DM.